World tensions can cause market fluxes, which means our 401ks and other investments can go up and down with just a few news headlines. So what should we do? React? Do nothing? Reallocate? Well, let's start with that question with our financial expert, Dave Wentley of Wentley Investments. Let's put that on pause for a second and check markets right now.
Let's
because should we be jittery? We had a big sell-off last week. It looks like, maybe this is a good way to start the segment. Big sell-off last week, and then look what happens a couple days later.
I know. That's the best way to come into this. Yeah, markets are up.
Up nicely as well.
They are.
Okay, so when we have these tensions with North Korea threatening nuclear, I mean, they're using that word.
Right.
Do people panic? Should you do anything when you see these reactions from the markets?
You should always pay attention, but no, you shouldn't panic. You should not overreact. I think what we saw, especially last Thursday, was when the rhetoric started to really ratchet higher. And again, we're a superpower, and we're talking nuclear, and we're talking with North Korea. That gives you pause. The markets reacted like they didn't like what they were hearing, but as you saw this morning, the market opened up, much higher, kind of shrugged it off.
But then the amateur investor, which it means all of us, says,
correct.
Okay, well, what happened in 4 days? That all of a sudden we had this huge sell-off Thursday,
right? And
then today everything's turned positive and very nicely.
Correct.
The markets just sometimes look for a way to take some
They
profits.
do, and in fact, I think last week was an example of that. Markets have had a very strong run-up since last November. Very few interruptions on that move up. And I think the markets have been looking to sell off because the valuations are stretched. It's August, there are not a lot of buyers out there. August is usually a quiet time. And I think markets were looking for an excuse, and I think the spark that lit it was the North Korean rhetoric.
Should anybody at all think of reallocating or being a little bit more defensive with the world headlines going on, maybe going into what's typically known as the fall sell-off? I mean, or do you do nothing if you're between this age group, and if you're this age group, look at doing this?
Well, if we start with age groups, the younger that you are, the less this is going to have any impact on you. As you get older, you should be somewhat defensive, knowing that money is going to be needed, and much sooner than if you were in your 20s or 30s. So it's always a good time to look back after something like this and say, well, maybe, I have too much risk in the portfolio. Maybe I will get a bit more defensive and put some stuff in very safe investments.
So you come up with a general strategy and kind of stick with it, right?
Stick with it through thick and thin.
You've mentioned in past segments, and this might be a good time to bring it up, you've said, rocks, trees, you have to trim the trees.
Correct.
But they generally do grow back.
They do grow back, especially down here, but yeah.
I'm talking about the markets.
Right, no, they do. That's exactly what it is. You can always prune them back, and if you have quality stuff, it always grows back.
Looking ahead to fall, when typically markets do seem to kind of pair a little bit, that's another topic we'll probably be talking to you about in a few months, but heading into that, people should sort of just continue to stay the course.
Exactly, and if you think you're going to need money that's in stocks or bonds right now, why not cash some of it out? Play it safe. We are sitting at near all-time highs. Historically, the markets, have not been this strong in a very long time. So you have money, you put it on the side and forget it, and don't worry about the rest of it.
And go shopping when there's bargains.
Go shopping when there's bargains.
It's my mantra.
Yes.
Thank you, Dave. Thanks a lot for the insight. We appreciate it.